Hi, right, my name's Billy from Swansway, Chester Citroën. Today I'm going to give you a quick tour of the 2018 Citroën C3. This model is a 1.2 petrol manual with only 5,059 miles on the clock. Coming around the side here we have these 16-inch alloy wheels, foldable wing mirrors. When the car locks they go in. Moving around to the back of the car, we've got the tinted black windows for privacy. Opening the door, as you can see there's a fair amount of space, and we've got the 3-point seat belts on all of them seats as well. Coming around to the back, we've got the rear parking sensors along the bottom there, very nice, and the 180-degree reverse camera just under there. If I open up the boot, I can take you for a little tour inside there. As you can see, fair size boot. All these seats go down as well if you need more space. Jumping into the front of the car, we've got the 4 electric windows just there. If I step inside and turn the car on, I can show you some of the features. If I just jump inside, switch the car on. Down here we've got your lights and wing mirror controls, child lock, things like that. Here we've got your phone controls, voice activation and audio controls. These control this, so you can either use the touch screen like this, go over to the radio, navigation, you need your phone set up for that, temperature controls, vehicle settings, check the driving function and vehicle settings, apps, for example Spotify you can put on there, and your phone, but it needs to be connected. So coming down we've got more controls just there, then one's self-explanatory. Coming down we've got the power, aux and USB in. I've got the cruise control just under here on the wheel as well. Digital dashboard with your digital display of the miles per hour. Stepping back outside the car, it's been the 2018 Citroën C3 here at Chester Citroën. We thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you here at Chester very soon.